what we're trying to do today is just first have fun and really learn what this new technology is, but then also try and see some of the opportunities and the challenges that we're going to face, and mostly for our tamariki, because this is uncharted territory. In the past, no one gave us rules around the radio, we just used it. No one gave us rules around the TV, we just used it. No one really gave us rules around the internet, and we abuse it. So this is kind of the new way of communicating, the new way of educating and connecting, but we need to develop some tikanga based on the feedback. We're going to start today, so this is, I want to thank you, Auntie Norma, Auntie Alan.
One whakatauki, or sort of proverb that is prominent in my mind at the moment, that says, Māori, not what we were, but what we could be. Which really talks about this is a new world, and we have new opportunities to develop new things for this place to help lead the world into a better space.